Well, good morning, folks. This is Scott with Umber Outdoors, and we're outdoors again today. What we're doing is a dry pour sidewalk. And what I done, which is probably not the best thing in the world, but I'm trying to do it on the cheap. Took a piece of 5/8 plywood, ripped it down to 3-inch lengths or widths, 8 foot long, and I framed this with that plywood. I'm about 32 inches wide, and so far I have 26 bags down, and I'm about 4 short, so got some more coming. But let me show you what I'm doing, and I'm not through with it, but we'll show you a final product in a minute. What we've done is we just took regular quickcreate high strength concrete mix. It's good to 4,000 psi. We put that down first and screed it one time, and then we take a bucket and we put this Pro Finish masonry mix, which is a sand. It's a sand mix. It doesn't have any gravel in it. This has gravel in it right here, so it's a little harder to screed down, but I just leave it a little bit rough. Then I take this bucket and we come over here, and if we got a spot kind of like that right there, which we're putting a whole coat on the whole thing, but we just sprinkle this over the whole thing about a 1/4 inch thick, and then we come back and screed it again. And I've got one final screeding to do. We just kind of rough this in, but we'll screed it one more time, and then we'll run around the edges with an edger, and then we'll put some relief joints in it. And once we get it set the way we want it, we'll probably roll it with a paint roller for a final finish, and then we'll start watering here in just a little bit, and we'll be back in a little bit. Ryder, what do you think about it? Ryder's my buddy. He fishes with me, and he's always out here. Wherever I'm at, Ryder's at. So we're going to finish up here in a little bit. I'll get a video when we get the edges on it, and then when we get started watering it down, and then we'll get a final walkthrough when we get finished with it. Appreciate y'all watching the video. If you get a chance, hit that like button, maybe subscribe, because there's no telling what we'll do, but it'll be outdoors, I can assure you that. We may be fishing, we may be pouring concrete, dry pouring concrete, we may be building a swimming pool. Got a video on that if you want to go on there and watch it. But anyway, hopefully this turns out good.
Yeah, I'm gonna get this whole.
So we're showering it right now. We've already put the edge on it. And now about every 30 to 40 minutes, we're coming back and just putting a good shower over the whole thing. And this sand, as it gets harder, I don't know if you can see that, but it'll actually just start moving around. And we'll be able to wash all that sand off the top. And then we'll end up with a nice gray finish. I don't know if you can see that sand moving, but we're just sliding it all the way to the edge. When we take the boards off, it'll just, our edge will be good there. So anyway, just keep watering every 30 to 40 minutes. It's looking good. As you can see, here's the finished product. We got wash gravel put down. The project turned out great. And at the last slide, there's a list of what it took and how much it cost.